Well, hello and welcome to the second video here on Humble Unboxing. Today we're gonna unbox the König Meyer stand for music, so like a headphone holder where you can put your headphones obviously onto a table that way. I can see that the package is a bit broken, most likely not the manufacturer's fault. Anyway, we're just gonna get right into it. Let me open a thing and do this with one hand. Here we go. Here we have some instructions on what we have to look out for in, at least for me, English and German. And then here we have the stand itself. So basically we have this thing that we can open and close however we want, so that the table fits in between. And then this is where we can put our headphones on. For example, I can show this right now. I have here a pair of headphones, and we can just put them like this. Alright, well, thank you so much for watching this video. This was Humble Unboxing, and hope you have a nice day. Thank you so much.